Need a hassle-free way to wirelessly transfer files from your phone to your PC? Look no further. In this video, we'll guide you through a seamless process to transfer files over the internet without a hitch. First of all, open Play Store. Now write Wi-Fi FTP server in search bar. Download it. Open it. Once downloaded, grant the necessary permissions. Click on Start. Find the server URL, user ID, and password within the app. These details are your golden ticket to connect your phone to your PC. Set your phone aside and hop onto your PC. Open This PC or My Computer. Right-click on an empty space and select Add a network location. Follow the prompts, entering the server URL from the Wi-Fi FTP server app. Unchecking a box and providing the username. Name your network location. Click Finish, input the app-specified password, and you're good to go. Your phone is now linked to your computer, granting you access to all your files for a smooth Android to PC Wi-Fi transfer. If you want to stop access, simply tap Stop button on your Android device. Simple, right? If you found this process as easy as we did, hit the like button. For more handy tips like this, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for future updates.